Okay, so I'm going to solve this circuit using voltage divider. So the first thing we're going to do is solve for V2. And it's important to notice that this voltage V2 is actually the voltage across the 3 and 2 ohm resistor. So we're going to say 3 plus 2 over all the resistors in series. So that's going to be 5 plus 3 plus 2. One thing to notice is the units on top of this is ohms. Units on bottom is ohms, so that'll cancel out. And then we're going to multiply by the voltage source, which is 10 volts. So this is going to give us V2 is equal to 5 volts. Now let's solve for V3. V3 is just the voltage across this 2 ohm resistor, so V3 should be 2 ohms. And again, plus the resistors in series times the 10 volts. So this is going to give us 2 volts. Now, if we want to double check our answer, we can real quick. So we know that V2 was 5 volts and V3 was 2 volts. So that means the voltage across this 3 ohm resistor is 3 volts, which checks out because in this in this circuit, we have a current of 1 amps, which we found by doing 10 volts over 10 ohms, which is all the resistors in series in the circuit, which gives us 1 amp. So then 1 amp times 3 ohms gives us 3 volts. So everything checks out. Please comment and subscribe.